So, what is paintless dent repair, or PDR? It is exactly as it sounds, guys. It's repairing a dent or ding on a car like this one has without having to repaint anything on the car. Essentially what they do, they take a little tool like this, right? They go into the body panel somehow. For example, with the door, they'll go through the window seal. They have tools that are a lot longer than these. They reach down in there and pop the dent out. Now this can be used for dents, dings, creased body lines. It can be used for a lot of stuff. And let me tell you, those PDR guys do some insane work. It is just crazy what they can do. People ask me all the time how I keep the bodies of my cars in pretty acceptable condition for the age. And the secret is PDR, it's paintless dent repair. Every time I get a little ding, dent, crease, anything in the car, I'll bring it to a PDR shop, have them pop the dent out, and it'll be like new, like it never ever happened. And the best part is you do not have to repaint your car at all whatsoever. Now this can be used for steel body cars, steel panels, or aluminum panels. Either or, it doesn't matter, they can work on both. And if they're really good, they're not going to damage your paint at all, so you do not have to worry about that. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to bring this into the PDR shop here locally. The shop I use here in Spokane is Hitworks Dent Repair. The dude that runs it, his name is Dan. He does incredible work. If you're local, hit him up, tell him I sent you, and he'll get you all fixed up. But let's go ahead, bring this car into the shop and see what he can do. There's only 2 or 3 dings on this car that I want to get pulled out while I'm trying to clean this thing up. So let's go.
Did I ever tell you about the moose hit I did on one of these?
No, you didn't.
90.
Yeah.
In Moses Lake. And a moose came out on I-90.
Really?
And luckily, the moose tried to jump the car.
That's
the only way
insane.
he survived. It peeled this back to here.
Yeah.
I did a dent about this big
Uh-huh.
on that door over there. That was all I could do.
Wow.
Hood was just mangled.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see that one you're talking about now here. I didn't really see that before, that little one.
Yeah.
And then there's that one right there. That's just a tiny little guy.
If you get a reflection, can you get a reflection of the light? Kind of go back and forth through there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Real bright. And
yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah, I definitely see him. Been in this for a while, right? How many years?
26.
26 years.
Yippee.
It's fun.
Now my only pain is left shoulder, left forearm, and left wrist.
Is it from doing this?
Yeah.
Doing this all the years? Is that a dent here too?
Saw a little something down there.
Oh yeah, I might be able to reach that from there.
Yeah, you can see everything with this.
Yeah, that's why I use it.
Yeah.
If I did it outside, I couldn't see as much.
Oh yeah, can't even see who's there. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm back home now from the PDR shop. As you guys saw, he did an incredible job on this car. That is definitely the secret of how I keep these things. This is a 2008 and now there's no dents on the car. Definitely a secret of how I keep these cars looking as good as I can. Of course, there's still rock chips on the car. I'm not that worried about it because it is strictly a daily driver. I just want my dailies to be as clean as possible. I'm pretty sure there's a PDR shop located in any big city. Spokane's not even a big city and there's like 3 or 4 I know of. So go on Google, type in your city. For example, if you live in St. Louis, type in St. Louis, Paintless Dent Repair Shop or PDR shop. One will show up, give them a call and see what they'll charge you. Rates are going to be different throughout the whole world. Just give them a call, tell them exactly the damage you have in the car. It can be anything from a small ding like I have to some serious damage. My dad's hood flew up, hit his roof, destroyed his roof, and Dan is able to fix his roof, so they can do some pretty crazy work, guys. Give them a call, see what they can do for you, and yeah, going from there. I really hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I thought it was super cool, getting some behind the scenes action of Dan working his magic on this thing. Dan is definitely the man. If you are in Spokane, hit him up. I'll have his contact information on the screen, so give him a call and tell him Devin sent you. Devin from YouTube sent you. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. Stay tuned for a lot more Evo videos coming out, guys. I'm trying to make these a lot higher quality now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner up there. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.